So I paid around like 2880 rupees for purchasing this product, and this is not a sponsored video. The Bluetooth AAC feature is absent inside the boAt 1000 V2. So what that means is that the audio quality through Bluetooth won't be that great compared to an AAC encoding. I tested it out and I was blown away from the result. I think the SPC audio is further amplified inside the speaker to provide a better audio experience. So till now we were using the inbuilt microphone of the camera. So we are going to change that to the dedicated microphone to check how good the audio quality is. And also I will be using the 3.5mm jack which was included in the package. So overall I think this speaker is a really good buy for the price. I have tried out like 1000 rupees, 1500 rupees Bluetooth speakers, but this speaker is performing much better than those speakers. So if you have the money, like 2500 to 2800, then you can buy this speaker. There is no doubt. I don't think there is any other speaker that will give this much audio quality for the price. So I hope this video was helpful. If you guys like this video, give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Okay, bye.